Lee here at Ford Park in Redlands, California. We just want you to know that on May 22nd, Saturday, between noon and 4, we're going to have an all Calvary Chapel San Bernardino picnic right here.
We've got food. You guys are going to bring some food, desserts, salads, whatever, drinks, and those types of things. Got a huge park here for the kids to explore, and we're really looking forward to it. We're excited. We want you guys to come out and join us.
We're going to have a lot of fun. You'll see in the bulletin the old-fashioned picnic theme, and we'll be having three-legged races, a pie eating contest, if you can believe that, and we're also going to do tug of war and some other games, volleyball, things for the kids, things for the grown-ups. We really want you to be a part of it, so please mark your calendar, May 22nd, Saturday, and bring your whole family, bring your friends. We're going to have a great time. I'll see you here.